Okay, today we're going to do something a bit exciting. What we're going to do is we're going to be opening this amazing Kinder Surprise egg that you get every year at Easter time, and because Easter time is coming and we're all a bit like stuck in our own houses because of the silly coronavirus, I thought, you know what, let's just crack this one open, and once we've got our toy inside it, then we can go ahead and draw that toy and colour it in. Why not, eh? Bit of fun. So let's get this one open. Now, I used to collect these every single year. Love my superheroes, as you know, and this year what they've got is instead of the figures or the little big head figures that they usually have, they've got the cars. So we've got Batman car or we got Superman car. So which one shall we have in this one? Do we get Superman or do we get Batman? I want Batman because Batman's my favourite, so let's see. Let's just crack this one open. I'll see if we got anything sharp. Go get me my scissors from there. The kids are watching this, so let's see what it is. I mean, these are great, these Kinder Surprise eggs, aren't they? Who doesn't like Kinder Surprise? So it's just there, my scissors. Can you get it in that little pot with the highlighters, Alina? So we'll just get some scissors, crack this one open, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the toy that we get. So I've got an audience here of my kids, and oh, I've just broken that, haven't I? That's not very good unboxing, is it? No, it isn't. So let's just, oh, I don't really care about the box. So let's just open that flap, open that flap there, and let's reveal that egg. So you can get rid of that boxy. Oh, look at that egg, eh? Beautiful, beautiful egg. So let's get rid of that packaging. Now, that's what you get in the egg. This was £5. I went to Tesco today to do the weekly shop, made sure I had my gloves on and all sorts, you know, protected in this horrible time that we're all going through, and I just couldn't resist when I saw this on the shelf. So I got this today. Now, let's make some nice space here, keep the desk nice and clean, and let's crack this one open. So we're just gonna peel that back, and my little one is giving some commentary there. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous, eh? So let's just move this over there, and there it is, that gorgeous chocolate egg. So I'm just gonna put a bit of force on the end there to crack it open, and you've got that little first crack coming out. There we go. Don't want to make too much of a mess. Want to get chocolate all over the place. Oh, and there it is. Look at the size of that. Look at the size of that toy. So let's just clear that chocolate, move that chocolate on the side, clear that table, pick them little chocolate pieces up, put them on the corner. They are going to get gobbled up in the next couple of seconds. So let's see what we get. Now, come on, I really hope we've got the Batman. But from seeing through the egg, I can see a bit of red. It might be Superman, this one, but not to worry. It gives me another reason to get another one. So, oh, there it is. Yeah, we got Superman. We haven't got Batman this time, but hey, I love Superman as well. So let's just open this up. So move them eggy shells to the side. Just throw them there before my little daughter gets them. And we've got the little parts to the car. Let's see what we get in here. Got a little sticker. Nice little sticker there. And we've got some little blurb. We don't need to worry about that. And here's the little pamphlet thing that you get on the inside. That's pretty cool. That's a nice keepsake for one of the collectibles. That looks really nice. So here it is. There's the instructions. Oh, there's a little bit of instructions here. So let's put the instructions to the side, see what it says. Number one, grab hold of this part, and then we put this little flappy thing at the back. So I think that goes there. Yep. And then number two, what do we do then? Then we get this side flappy thing. Where does this go? Right, does that go there? I can't figure it out, so oh, hang on a minute, there it is. Yeah, I think that just goes there. Yeah, that one goes there, and then this one goes there, so that's going to be Superman's cape. There's his capey cape. Right. Oh, so that, oh, that's pretty cool, that, isn't it? Look at that. Look at the way that opens up. So there's his cape, and then we've got the top part over here. I think that'll just clip in nicely over there. I better not break it. You know what I'm like, always breaking things before I even... Oh God, right. Oh, not very good, that is it. Let's put this back in here. Right, fumbling around, aren't I? Right, so we've got these little groovy things here. I think we just need to clip them in. Oh, come on, what's going on? Look at that. Kids, I bet you could do this better than me, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to say yeah. Right. Yeah, alright, you calm down. Let's have a look. So let's just put this back on top of there. Them two go there. Press that in. There it is. There it is. Right. That's not really working that well. Oh, but do you know what? Who cares? Let's just leave it. There you go. Open and close like a little butterfly. That, hey, Superman. Hey, look at that, Superman. Brum brum. Right. Okay. So let's put these little stickers on. Where did these stickers go? So that's the front. Okay. Actually, let's get the window screen on first. So let's get that window screen on first to make it look pretty cool. So that one can go there. There you have it. Nicely done. And oh, the most important part, the S logo. Where does the S logo go? That goes on the bonnet of the car. So I'm going to put that S logo on the bonnet of the car. Right there. Slap it right there. So okay, right. And can you, yeah, you can have some chocolate here. Here, you can have some chocolate there. Right, so there it is. And this one, what are these stickers now? Where does that go? Is that the front lights? The front lights are yellow, back lights are red, obviously. Let's do that then. Front lights over here. Look at that. That's it, you're not having any more chocolate, that's enough for you. Right, and the backlights can go here. Okie dokie. Backlights there. And finally we've got these side ones. What are these side ones? Are these for like the side of the car? The window part of the car. Yeah, that's what that is, isn't it? So let's just put this one here. Oh, I've not done a very good job on that one. Oh, it doesn't matter, who cares. Let's just put this one on here. Pretty good, these stickers. But to be honest with you, they should just put them on themselves, shouldn't they? Well, I don't know why they make us fiddle around with them, because we could mess it up. Just like I always mess these things up. So let's just have a look. Let's put this one here. And there it is, it's all done. So check that out. So there's the Superman car. And with that back thing, very good. So now what we can do is just show this to you on the screen. Look at that. Very nice. Look at that Superman car. Check that out. Beautiful. Right, look at that. And there's the back wing thing. I don't think I put that on right. It's supposed to close all the way, but I can't be bothered. So let's show you the bottom part of it. There's the top. Let's see if we can get closer to the camera. There are the wheels. It works. Very nice. So time now to eat some chocolate and to do a drawing of it. So I'm going to do a drawing of it maybe in this angle over here, or maybe that angle. I'll decide later. I'm going to do it all on the iPad, so let's switch to that now. Okay, thanks for watching. That was a fun little art project that we did today. We enjoyed it. The kids did their own drawings of it as well. Turned out pretty nice, and hopefully you had a bit of a laugh watching me bob my silly head into the camera without realising. So hopefully you're all doing well and you're keeping yourself safe. If you're wanting to do some activities in art, then check out my colouring books, which I have on my Etsy shop. They're only £3 each. They're nice little small colouring books that you can use to pass a bit of time. Check out my Etsy shop for original art. Subscribe to the channel, and also check out my new colouring book series on Amazon. All the links of all these books that I've published are going to be in the description below. So thank you so much for your time, and hopefully stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself, and peace.